So once you guys cross the bridge, you're gonna go to the main night market area. I thought the other place was the Hoi An Night Market, but I think this is the main one. It's a lot of the same stuff, just a lot more people. Still not as many people as the Chiang Mai night markets. You gotta go to Chiang Mai if you want to have a crazy night market experience. Though this is picking up here a little bit. That kid that just passed by there just stabbed me with this plastic knife in my back. I got stabbed in the back by a 4-year-old. There's some bars and pubs to my left here. Okay, so it looks like we reached the end of the night market street here. I'd say it spans maybe 300 meters towards the end of the island once you get off the bridge. I'll head back now on the other side. Something tells me that before the cerveza sickness, this was probably a lot busier. Like 5 years ago, this was probably just bustling with people everywhere in all directions. I haven't seen anyone buying anything from the vendors at all. It's too bad. They might be hurting for business.
It's all right, thank you very much anyway.
Maybe the prices are a bit too inflated, or people don't know how to bargain. I found in Thailand, like in Chiang Mai anyway, you didn't really have to bargain as much. Like the prices were just set and they were reasonably cheap, but here the prices are probably a little more expensive. The first price they give you is quite high, and then people just get turned off by that. I think in Vietnam you likely have to use your bargaining skills a little more. so much for having the right of way. Alright guys, I gotta catch a grab taxi back to Da Nang. So that wraps up the episode of Hoi An. Leave a comment, let me know what you thought of Hoi An. And I'll see you in the next episode.